Okay, so we just came from In-N-Out, and then we went to Wendy's, and one of my little nieces and nephews were playing around, and they threw a French fry, and now I have a French fry suspended on the roof of my car. Like, how did it do that? I think it was maybe kinetic energy, because it started thundering and lightning outside, but who knows? It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. And I told my sister I'm not going to take it down. I'm going to leave it up there. It's actually a Wendy's flying French fry. Wendy's flying French fry. It's crazy. See? The door. Ceiling. Crazy. It's just chilling up there. Get a better look. That's the camera on the ceiling. See that? That's awesome. That's a trip. I'm hitting bumps as I'm filming, and the French fries just dangling. You know what? French fry could make a twerk video. Twerk, 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 twerk. Ah, it's hilarious.